Alright guys, I am doing a recipe. This is an Instant Pot recipe. What I have here is, look at this, stewed vegetable pack. So it's got a rutabaga, it's got parsnips, it's got carrots and cabbage. I've never eaten a rutabaga before, so can't wait to try it out. What I have here is canned chicken breast that I'm going to actually put in. So it's going to be like a almost like a stew, like almost chicken noodle type of thing. But I got this fennel I need to use up, so that's going to go in there as well. And ground turkey. So, and I have chicken broth that I'm going to use as the base. So that's going to go in the pot. It's going to be seasoned. I'm going to use spices, herbs, all that stuff. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to prep this up now. Alright, so I got the meat in there. It's seasoned. I'm going to add the chicken broth in there right now, and then I'm going to add the veggies. So give me a minute, I'm gonna get it all prepped. Alright, I got the carrots in. As you can see, the carrots are huge. So I'm gonna start cutting up the parsnips and rutabaga. Alright, so I got a rutabaga in there. I've never tasted rutabaga before, so I put 2 of those in, and then I'm gonna put the chicken broth, and then I'm gonna add some chicken meat to it as well from the Costco thing there. So give me 1 second. Alright, so the broth is in there, it's all ready to go. I'm going to season it a little bit more with some herbs, and then we're going to put it on the Instant Pot for under rice, and then it should cook it all pretty quick. So I'm actually going to add maybe a can of corn or something like that to it as well. So alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so it is ready to go, guys. So I'm going to cook it now. I'll be back and we'll do a cook taste test. I put a lot of spices in this. It's actually really good, guys. It has a lot of flavor. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions or comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.